Mid-chapter checkpoint. Concepts and skills. Number 1. Explain how you can use a quick picture to find 3 times 2.7. Well, if we use unit squares to represent 2.7 and we draw that representation 3 times, we can then add up all the squares and all the units, and we get a total which will equal 3 times 2.7. Complete the pattern. Number 2. 1 times 3.6, that's just going to be 3.6. 10 times 3.6 is going to be 36. 100 times 3.6 is 360. 1000 times 3.6 would be 3600, like that. Number 3, 10 to the power 0 times 17.55. Well, 10 to the power 0 is just 1. That's going to be 17.55. 10 to the power of 1, that's just 10, times 17.55. That's going to be 175.5. 10 to the power 2 times 17.55, that's going to be 1,755. 10 to the power 3 times 17.55, that's going to be 17,550. Like that. Number 4, 1 times 29 is going to be 29. 29 times 0.1 is going to be 2.9. And 0.01 times 29 is to be 0.29. Number 5, find the product. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And we're going to carry the decimal place. So this will be 25.12. That. Number 16, we have 17 times 0.67. So I'm going to write 17 times 0.67. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Now in the tens place, we have 6 times 7. That's 42. Right there. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Now add all these together. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. And put the decimal place. We got 9.39. Now number 7, we have 29 times 7.3. 9 times 3 is 27. Sorry. 27, like that. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 7 times 9, that is 63. Put the 3 up here. Or the 6 up here, sorry. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20. Drop the 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 1, and we have 2. And put the decimal place, it's 211.7. 211.7. Like that. Draw a diagram to solve. Number 8. Julie spent $5.62 at the store. Micah spends 5 times as much as Julie, and Jeremy spends $6.72 more than Micah. How much money does each person spend? Well, we know that Julie spends $5.62, right? And Micah spends 5 times as much as Julie. So Micah's going to be Julie plus Julie plus Julie plus Julie plus Julie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? So that's basically going to be 5.62 5 times, or 5.62 times 5, right? Times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. It gives us $28.10, $28.10. Now, Jeremy spent $6.72 more than Micah. So it's going to be equal to plus Micah, right? So $6.72 plus, I'm going to do that. Actually, I'm going to move it really quickly. That's $28.10 plus $6.72, like that. 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So Jeremy spent $34.82. Number 9. Sarah is cutting ribbons for a pep rally. The length of each ribbon needs to be 3.68 inches. If she needs 1,000 ribbons, what is the length of the ribbon Sarah needs? Well, she's cutting ribbons, and the length of each ribbon needs to be 3.68 inches. If she needs 1,000 ribbons, so we need to multiply 3.68 times 1,000. So you got 1,000 times 3.68. And we know from our practice that we're just going to move the decimal 3 places over. So 1, 2, 3. That becomes 3,680 inches of ribbon that she needs for the 1,000 ribbons. Number 10. Adam is carrying books to the classroom for his teacher. Each book weighs 3.85 pounds. If he carries 4 books, how many pounds is Adam carrying? So 3.85 per book, and he's carrying 4 of them. So that's 3.85 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Remove the decimal place right there. You get 15 pounds, 15.4 pounds, 15.40 pounds. Number 11. Our car travels 54.9 miles in an hour. If the car continues at the same speed for 12 hours, how many miles will it travel? We have 54.9 miles per hour, and we're traveling for 12 hours. We're going to multiply by 12. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 5 is 5. So we're going to add all these up. 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's 658. 658.8 miles in the 12 hours. Number 12. Charlie saves $21.45 each month for 6 months. In the 17th month, he only saves $10.60. How much money will Charlie save after the 7 months? So for 6 months, he's saving $21.45. So let's get that value really quickly. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. And 6 times 2 is 12. So he saves about $128.70 in the 6th month. But on the 7th month, he saved $10.60. We're going to add that, $10.60. 6 plus 7 is 13. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is just 1. And so on the total 7 months, he saved $139.30. 30 cents.